There are several ways to make money from e-commerce, including 1. Start your own online store. You can set up your own online store and sell products directly to customers. You can choose to sell products that you have created or sourced from suppliers. Some popular e-commerce platforms for setting up an online store include Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. 2. Sell products on existing marketplaces. Another option is to sell your products on existing marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. These platforms have a large customer base, and it can be easier to get started with selling on them compared to setting up your own online store. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale you generate. You can promote products through your own website, social media, or other marketing channels. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions on products sold through Amazon. 4. Drop shipping. Drop shipping involves selling products without holding inventory. Instead, you work with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. You can set up an online store to sell the products, and the supplier takes care of the rest. 5. Provide e-commerce services. You can also make money by providing e-commerce services to other businesses, such as website design, product photography, or social media marketing. 6. Subscription services. You can create a subscription-based service that delivers products or services on a recurring basis. This can include subscription boxes, meal delivery services, or software as a service, SaaS, products. 7. Digital products. You can also sell digital products such as ebooks, software, courses, and music online. These products can be created once and sold repeatedly, making them a great source of passive income. 8. Advertising. If you have a popular e-commerce site or blog, you can make money through advertising. You can place ads on your site and earn money every time someone clicks on them or views them. 9. Influencer marketing. You can also earn money as an influencer by promoting products on social media. If you have a large following on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can partner with brands to promote their products and earn a commission on sales. 10. Wholesale. If you have a successful e-commerce business, you can also start selling your products wholesale to other businesses. This can be a great way to scale your business and increase your revenue. Overall, there are many ways to make money from e-commerce, and the key is to find a business model that aligns with your skills and interests. Whether you choose to start your own online store or offer e-commerce services to other businesses, there are plenty of opportunities to earn a living in this growing industry.